All right, everyone, you just saw the switchgear. It's actually right behind me. That's the utility's first stop, the power's first stop. After that, it's going to get a little bit louder here. It's going to go into these. These are uninterruptible power supplies. Now, if you take a look at this screen down here below me, right there, that is the actual utility power that's coming in. And right above, you can see what the generator is capable of controlling. Now, these are UPS systems, and they are very, very, very important. If there is ever a power failure in this entire facility, these devices, these machines, they're going to take over and run for 5, 10, 15 minutes, for as long as it takes for the generator that's outside, I'll show it to you for a second, to kick in and keep all of that critical infrastructure running. So these are very, very important to keep a certain level of operability for this facility. So these UPS systems are an absolute must for any critical infrastructure, and really any data center is going to have these within them to support redundancy, resiliency, and to be that buffer between the UPS battery systems and the generator, which we're going to show you in just a second. All right, everyone, we know that the internet is very, very important because, listen, how else do you keep all of this stuff over there connected? You're going to have some carriers, some telecom. So we're going to go into the main distribution framework. This is the telecommunications room, which we're going to explore a little bit. Again, I promise this door was totally locked and it was opened by the facility manager. Now, if you're taking a look at here, this is like the nervous system of where all of the different kinds of carriers are going to come in. So you're going to see everyone from folks like CenturyLink to AT&T. This is where all of that fiber, all of that telecommunications comes in right here. There are upwards of 7 carriers in this facility right now. And the tenant, the people using all of those racks, all of those servers in the other location, can actually take these, choose the carrier that they want, and support their infrastructure. So this is where you'll see all the fiber optic lines, all the optics, all of the architecture that's coming in from the providers, from the telecommunications architecture that then goes up. Remember those trays for the cables that then goes into the main hall to support all of those racks inside. So this is your telecom lead. Also, very, very, very important to keep you nice and connected. We're back outside and we're going to show you one more really important part of infrastructure. That's the generator right back there. Okay, so if you remember what I showed you with the switchgear when the power came in, this is one of the places that it'll go. If there's ever an emergency, if there's ever a situation where power is needed, this amazing Caterpillar generator is going to literally kick in. It might be a little bit loud, but they've got diesel fuel up there as well. That's going to be able to allow them to support this infrastructure for as long as they have fuel. Now, again, this is for emergencies. If power goes out, those UPS batteries kick in. And as soon as they do, this generator fires up. And it's capable of taking that entire load of the entire facility almost instantaneously and capable of running until power is restored. So this generator is very, very important for resiliency and making sure all that infrastructure out there continues to run optimally.